Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back to the Friendly English podcast, where English feels easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Sophia, your English coach and your friend. And today, we are going to explore something very special: the habits of fluent English speakers. Maybe you've heard people who speak English so naturally. Their words flow like water. They sound relaxed, confident, and clear. And maybe you've thought, how do they do that? Why can't I sound like that yet? Well, my friend, the secret is not talent. It's not about being perfect. It's about daily habits. Fluent English speakers build their English step by step with small daily actions. And you can too. So today, we'll learn 7 powerful habits that fluent English speakers use every day. You'll also practice listening and speaking with me right here in this episode. Before we start, take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Relax your shoulders. Smile a little. You're doing something amazing right now. You're learning and growing in English. All right, are you ready? Let's begin with habit number 1. The first habit of fluent English speakers is simple. They listen to English every single day. Fluent speakers understand that listening is the heart of language learning. Think about how babies learn to speak. They listen for many months before they say a single word. They listen to sounds, tones, and rhythms over and over again. And one day, they start speaking naturally. It's the same for you. Your brain learns English through listening. Now, repeat this with me. I learn English by listening every day. Good. Once more. I learn English by listening every day. Perfect. When you listen, don't try to understand every word. Just listen for the general idea, the feeling, the emotion, the rhythm. Even if you understand 60%, that's okay. Your ears are training. Let's do a small listening challenge right now. I'll say a few short sentences. You just listen first. 1 keycap, good morning. How are you today? 2 keycap, it's such a beautiful day outside. 3 keycap, I love learning something new every day. Now, listen again and repeat after me. Ready? Good morning. How are you today? It's such a beautiful day outside. I love learning something new every day. Excellent. You're already practicing habit number 1. You're listening carefully and repeating naturally. Now, here's a tip. Don't wait for a perfect moment to listen to English. You can listen while cooking, walking, cleaning, or driving. You don't need extra time. Just change what you listen to. Make English part of your background life. Like this. In the morning, short podcast. During a walk, English YouTube video. Before bed, English audiobook or story. Repeat after me. English is part of my day. I listen to English wherever I go. Beautiful. Remember, listening builds fluency quietly, like rain feeding a tree. You may not see results today, but in 1 month, 2 months, you'll notice. You understand more, and you speak faster. So yes, habit number 1 is listening every day. Now let's move to habit number 2. One of my favorites, think in English. Fluent English speakers don't translate from their native language. They think directly in English. Why is this important? Because when you translate, you slow down. Your brain goes, idea native language English. That's too many steps. But when you think in English, you go straight from idea English words. That's how fluent speakers do it. Now, I know this sounds difficult at first, but trust me, it's like training a new muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. Let's do a small practice together. Imagine you just woke up. You're still in bed. Don't say in your language, it's time to get up. Say it in English. It's time to get up. Now imagine walking to the kitchen. You see your coffee or tea. Say aloud, "This coffee smells good." Nice. Now imagine you look outside. You see sunshine. Say, "The weather looks nice today." These short sentences are like mini workouts for your brain. The more you do this, the faster your brain will think in English naturally. You can even practice when you're alone. For example, when you wash dishes, describe what you're doing. "I'm washing the plate." "I'm cleaning the cup." "I'm almost finished." This sounds simple, but it's powerful. Because every time you do this, you're building your English brain. Repeat after me. "I can think in English." "I speak and think in English." Good. Now, I want you to try a little challenge. For the next 5 minutes after this episode, look around your room and name everything in English: bed, pillow, curtain, phone, window, light, chair. Even if you forget a word, that's okay. You can describe it instead. For example, if you forget curtain, you can say, "It's the thing that covers the window." That's how you stay in English mode. Fluent speakers stay in English mode as much as possible. And now, so will you. All right, my friend, it's time for habit number 3, shadowing. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve pronunciation and rhythm. What does shadowing mean? It means you listen to a native speaker and repeat right after them. You become their shadow. You copy their intonation, speed, and emotion. This technique helps your mouth muscles learn real English sounds. Let's try together. I'll say a sentence. You listen carefully and repeat right after me. Ready? "How are you doing today?" Again, a little faster. "How are you doing today?" Good. Now another one. "It's nice to see you again." And one more. "I'm learning English every day." Beautiful job. Did you notice how your voice starts to flow? That's because shadowing trains rhythm and confidence. Let's do one longer sentence now. Listen first. "I'm trying to speak English more naturally and confidently." Now your turn. Once more, together. "I'm trying to speak English more naturally and confidently." Excellent. You can shadow with this podcast anytime. Just replay a part and repeat after me, word for word. Here's a tip. Don't worry if you make small mistakes. Even if your timing isn't perfect, your mouth is learning. Fluent English speakers have trained this way for years. By listening, copying, and speaking again. Repeat after me. I shadow English speakers to sound natural. Shadowing helps me speak fluently. Lovely. So your third habit, shadow every day for a few minutes. Do it while watching YouTube, listening to a podcast, or even your favorite movie. Soon, you'll notice your pronunciation and speed improving without effort. Now, let's take a small pause. You've already learned 3 habits. 1 keycap listen every day. 2 keycap think in English. 3 keycap practice shadowing. That's amazing progress. In the next part of this episode, we'll explore 4 more habits that fluent English speakers use. And I'll guide you through more listening and speaking practice. So stay with me. Take a sip of water. And let's continue your English journey together. Habit number 4 is simple but very powerful. Use English in your daily life. Fluent speakers don't wait for study time. They use English naturally in real situations. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create an English environment for yourself. Let me show you how. Change your phone to English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Write your to-do list in English. Talk to yourself in English while doing daily tasks. Let's practice a few examples together. You wake up and say, okay, time to start the day. When you make breakfast, I'm making eggs and coffee. When you go outside, I'm walking to the bus stop. When you finish work, good job today. I worked hard. Beautiful. These small sentences make English part of your life, not just something you study in a book. You're living in English. Repeat after me. I use English in my daily life. English is part of my world. Perfect. And remember, my friend, you don't need perfect grammar to use English. The goal is communication, not perfection. When you start using English daily, your brain will start thinking faster. Your tongue will move more naturally. And your confidence will grow. So, yes. Habit 4. Use English in your everyday life. Habit number 5, and this one is so important. Learn from your mistakes. Many learners feel afraid to make mistakes. They say, I don't want to sound stupid, or I don't want to make grammar errors. But guess what? Even native speakers make mistakes every single day. Mistakes are not bad. They are messages, they show you where you can grow. So don't say, I failed. Say, I learned something new. Let's practice that mindset together. Repeat after me. Mistakes help me learn. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake makes me stronger. Beautiful. Think about when you learned to ride a bicycle. You probably fell a few times. But every time you got up again, you improved. Learning English is the same. Every time you make a small mistake, maybe you use the wrong tense or pronounce something differently, you're actually getting closer to fluency. When you feel shy or nervous, take a breath and smile. Remember that speaking imperfect English is still better than not speaking at all. The only real mistake is silence. So go ahead. Speak. Try. Experiment. Every time you use English, you grow. Let's do a short practice. I'll say a sentence with a small error and then correct it. You repeat both versions. Ready? He go to school every day. He goes to school every day. Now you. Pause for listener to repeat. She don't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. Excellent. See? You corrected it easily, no problem. That's how learning works. So yes, my friend. Habit 5. Learn from your mistakes, don't fear them. Now, habit number 6. Speak out loud, even when you're alone. Many learners say, Sophia, I don't have anyone to practice with. And I always say, you do. You have yourself. You can practice English anywhere. In your room, in front of a mirror, or during your daily walk. Speaking out loud is powerful because it connects your brain, your mouth, and your memory. Let's try a short mirror exercise together. Imagine you're talking to yourself in the mirror. Smile. Look at yourself. And say, Hi. How are you today? I'm great. Thank you for asking. What are your plans for today? I'm going to practice English with Sophia. Good job. When you speak to yourself like this, you're building real confidence. Even if you make mistakes, no one hears them. It's a safe space to grow. Here's another tip. Record your voice once a week. Speak for 1 minute about your day or a topic you like. Then, listen to your recording. Notice your pronunciation and rhythm. You'll be amazed at your progress after 1 month. Repeat after me. I practice speaking every day. I can speak English confidently. Excellent. So yes. Habit 6. Speak out loud, even when you're alone. You've made it to the final habit. Habit 7. Stay curious and consistent. Fluent English speakers don't stop learning after one course or 1 year. They stay curious. They want to learn new words, new cultures, and new ideas. They also stay consistent, meaning they practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful. Let's talk about curiosity first. Curious learners ask questions like, what does that word mean? How do people use this phrase in real life? Why do native speakers say it like that? This curiosity keeps your mind alive. Now about consistency. Think of English like a plant. If you water it every day, it grows strong and beautiful. But if you water it once a month, it struggles. Consistency is your secret weapon. So even if you're tired, even if you only have 5 minutes, listen, read, or speak in English. Small steps make big changes. Repeat after me. I am curious about English. I practice a little every day. Consistency makes me fluent. Perfect. Fluent speakers don't give up when they make mistakes or feel tired. They keep going. And so will you. You've learned all 7 habits of fluent English speakers. Let's review them together. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. 1 keycap, I listen to English every day. 2 keycap, I think in English. 3 keycap, I shadow English speakers. 4 keycap, I use English in daily life. 5 keycap, I learn from my mistakes. 6 keycap, I speak out loud, even when I'm alone. 7 keycap, I stay curious and consistent. Excellent. Now let's do a quick confidence practice. I'll say short motivational sentences. Repeat each one after me with energy and belief. I am becoming fluent in English. I enjoy learning every day. I can speak clearly and confidently. English is my friend. I'm proud of my progress. Beautiful. You've done amazing today. You've listened, repeated, practiced, and learned. Be proud of yourself. Every minute you spend practicing English brings you closer to fluency. And the best part? You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. Before we finish, I want to remind you fluency is not a destination, it's a journey. And you're already walking that path beautifully. Even when progress feels slow, remember, you're learning every time you listen, speak, and try. So keep going, my friend. Stay kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. And remember, English is your tool for connection and growth. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Friendly English Podcast so you never miss a new lesson. Tell me in the comments, which habit will you start practicing today? Your words inspire others, and I love hearing from you. And don't forget to share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English too. Until next time, keep learning, keep shining, and keep speaking English with confidence, curiosity, and joy. I'm Sophia, and this is the Friendly English Podcast, where English feels friendly, natural, and full of heart. See you next time.